In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Yahoo Mail back to basic version. If your mailbox feels a little heavy or slow, the basic view can make things cleaner and faster, especially on older computers or slower connections. I'll walk you through each click so you can switch confidently without losing anything important. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Yahoo Mail and press Enter. You'll see results for the official Yahoo Mail page. Click the top result that leads to the Yahoo Mail website. If you're already signed in, you'll land right in your inbox. If not, go ahead and sign in the way you normally do. Complete any verification prompts and wait for your inbox to load fully so all menu options become available. Once you're in the new Yahoo Mail view, look to the top right corner of the screen for the Settings gear icon. Click it to open the Quick Settings panel. In some layouts, you'll need a couple of extra seconds for the panel to load. If you don't see the option you need right away, scroll to the bottom of that panel and click More Settings to open the full settings page. This helps expose all the display options that aren't shown in the Quick panel. Now, on the left-hand sidebar of the settings page, look for a link that says Switch to Basic Mail. This link is usually grouped with General Appearance or Mailbox Settings. If you don't see it, double-check that you're in the full settings view, not just the Quick panel. In rare cases, if the option isn't there, you might already be using Basic, or the feature could be temporarily unavailable, so try refreshing the page and checking again. Click Switch to Basic Mail. A prompt will appear asking for feedback about why you're switching. This helps Yahoo understand what users prefer. You can choose a reason that fits your situation or simply proceed without providing details. To confirm, click Switch to Basic Mail again in the prompt. Your inbox will reload in the basic interface. You'll notice a simpler layout with fewer animations and a focus on core email features like reading, composing, searching, and organizing messages. Attachments, filters, and folders still work, but some advanced visual features are streamlined. If you ever want to return to the newer interface, look for the option in Settings to switch back. That's all there is to it. Enjoy the faster, cleaner experience, and remember that you can switch between views whenever your needs change. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.